The mistake here is confusing this with something like 3x squared. If these two things were being multiplied, then it is true that this would be 3 squared x squared. That is true. But it is not true when there's a plus sign in the middle. I mean, this is the problem right here, doing that. That was the mistake. Let's do it correctly. So when you have x plus 3 squared, what you really have is x plus 3 times x plus 3. So however you want to multiply that, however you learn to do it, I like to use boxes, although this one's pretty easy no matter which way you go. I put the x plus 3 here, x plus 3 there. Oh, and if you want to review how to do that, check up here. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. X times 3 is still 3x. And 3 times 3 is 9. So the x squared and the 9 do pop up in the answer. The reason we can't use this little shortcut is because you lose those middle terms. Now we have to combine those. And we end up with x squared plus 6x plus 9. And that is the correct answer. Check out the next video. See you. Bye.